allocating budgets while the common mwananchi feels so lonely that the agenda that was signed at the memorandum at the KICC, it does not touch any single need of a common mwananchi. Currently, the state that Kenya is, people are tired and they are out there expressing their anger. That's why you are seeing what's happening in Kisii. That's why you saw the Gen Z came out to agitate the anger that they have. The government that promised them heaven decided to deliver a hell. It's so absurd, Mr. President, that you are saying the main aim of that memorandum, it was to unite Kenya, yet here at Bunge la Mwananchi, I can sit with a Kikuyu, a Kalenjin, and we come together and discuss matters pertaining governance. It's so absurd. Mr. President, with due respect, this is what the Mwananchi needs. I would base it to be a generation issue that is an issue that affects only the young youth. It's an issue that cuts across the entire generation in Kenya, being the youth, the elderly, and the old. People are so aggressive that they have gone to school, studied the course that they studied, and with the hope that after studying they'll get somewhere to set their feet. But what are you paying us with? Tunakuja, tunamaliza kusoma, then tuko kwa street. Tuna demand tena implementation of what we study. So saizi kitu yenye nilikuwa nataka ku address, Mr. President, is that the real call yenye mwananchi akonayo ni ile venye anaweza fanya nini, anaweza pata kazi. Watu wakipata kazi, hii aggressiveness yenye watu wakonayo hawatakuwa nayo, because atakuwa na pesa mfukoni na atakuwa anaweza kujipanga kiuchumi. But hii issue yenye unatuambia that una sign for peace, already we are peaceful. Kindly let hiyo pesa yenye mmesign, na hii mambo tunajua saizi Raila venye amesign, anataka kuchukua 5 months explaining for us the reason why amesign hiyo kitu na the reason why anafanya for the government. Na hiyo 5 months anataka kutumia taxpayer money going through, transversing through the counties, akiwaeleza mbona wamekuja pamoja. Kindly please, hiyo pesa mudivide, mupeleke kwa health ama mpeleke kwa education, pale watu wanahitaji hizo pesa. Thank you.
Thank you, Joshua, for being precise.
Down,
down, conmanship.
Down, down, the spirit of conmanship, down.
Down.
Bunge, power.
Power.
Down, down, the spirit of perennial loser, down.
25th June, as we celebrate the anniversary last year, we are going to end this lunacy, this hypocrisy, this mockery ambayo imetuenslave for so long sisi kama wananchi. Na sisi vijana tutahakikisha hii nchi imebadilika. Na wale ambao wanasema Gen Z ni leaderless. Before jana tuliona ya kwamba tukitokea bila mpango hakuna kitu itafanyika, na some of us hatukutokea because we knew the end plan. Tulijua Ruto atamwaga hapo polisi na vijana watatokea, but all in all 25th June mimi nakuja tu kuwapea habari.